Hey guys, just want to show you. I was showing you how much there was quite a bit of slop in the rear A-arm, and I was able to squeeze a 3x6 washer there, right in that gap there, and I was able to eliminate most of the slop. Right, just sticking it in there. And I was telling you that the pin is actually smaller than the hole that it goes through on the holder. It's just A-arm holder there by maybe 4 millimeter. So there is going to be some slop, all the slop in the longitudinal direction, but you're still going to get some lateral slop. But it's a lot better than this, right? I can just grab this and lightly move this. See how much slop there is. And on this side, right, there's a big difference by just putting in a little washer right in that gap. You couldn't do it here because these are self-tapping screws, and so the thread's a little larger than 3 millimeter. You got to squeeze it in here, and which took me like almost 5 minutes to try to get that in there and line up the hole so that the pins can go through. And it's gonna take you quite a few tries, just because the thickness of this, right? So I can barely squeeze that in there, and it's hard to get the holes aligned. But once you get that in, it is quite a large improvement. And again, you're not gonna eliminate all the slop, but you will eliminate quite a bit.